This calls in for parenting, effective parenting. Parents out there, you need to urge your children to be in communities that are desirable, not just leaving children outside there. Children should be in a safe and secure places. In the suburbs of Mutinda, that is Kampala, where 2 lives were lost. Aware that security is vital precondition for a meaningful social economic activity, I want to urge the security agencies to effectively tackle this criminality and bring those people to book.
We went to the shops to buy something. This tearing is at the breast part, at the breast part. If someone tears a dress at the breast part, by this time you can wonder where my breasts were. A Muslim woman who covers herself and only leaves out the face and the palm. This dress was also torn from the lower part at this point. All the thighs were spread out. Right, Honorable Speaker, why I want to lay this on table is for you to direct an investigation on who are the people that laid hands on me in a way that was so dehumanizing.
And in the last sitting, that I did suspend members, and when I suspended the members, I did not order for any arrest of any person. I suspended the members, they left, and what Honorable Aisha can do is to bring a substantive motion to that effect on what happened that day. You don't have to lay because you need a substantive motion on that.
Knowing that you made remarks which were tribal in my view, I thought, who am I to be challenged by the Speaker and I don't follow through? Honorable Speaker, I have carried some evidence which I want to table. You will look at it and examine it. It's both on CD and flash disk, which has got videos.
Where is the origin of that?
Of remarks that you made.
Where is the origin?
CD here and a flash disk of people who raided these our chambers and manhandled people for you to examine and help us understand who were these. Because even right now, Honorable Speaker, you have said you don't know who these were. That actually worried me the most. Because you are the head of this institution, you are our leader, and our safety is to a great extent your responsibility. So if my Speaker does not know who raided this place and manhandled members of Parliament, I am actually very worried. And I'm hoping that, Honorable Speaker, you'll follow it up because the evidence is here, as I have tabled it, for you to follow up and help us understand. Because if my Speaker doesn't know, then who knows?
To go on a fishing expedition.
No, I am not.
Because when you get what is being broadcasted there, it is not what I have said. The broadcaster is broadcasting its own things. It is not, if you want, go to the Hansard. That is, go to the Hansard and get it from there and it will be authentic. And I can assure you, once you have it and it is authentic, this country has my apology.